switcheroo with her captain. So that's how far back it goes.
All right, this is the problem you asked me about, and it says you are making a smoothie using 3 fruits, bananas, strawberries, and apples. You are using a total of 7 pieces of fruit and spend $5.25. You have twice as many strawberries as banana. Cost of each fruit is 50 cents for bananas, 75 cents for strawberries, and $1.25 for apples. How much each fruit did you buy? So we're going to go here, and we have apples. Let's do this in order here. Bananas, and we should make strawberries red. That's fine. Green bananas. So I'm going to do bananas and strawberries. And for some reason, apples are going to be blue apples. And when we add them up, a certain number of each gets us 7 fruits total. So an unknown number of bananas, call that X, an unknown number of strawberries, call that Y, and an unknown number of apples, we're going to call that Z. The total of 7 fruits. We're keeping track of our information here. 7 fruits, we took care of that. Using the same formula, taking the unknown number of bananas, they are going to be 50 cents each. And I'm going to translate that into fractions because fractions are easier to work with without a calculator. Which we're going to try to do. So half of $1 times however many bananas we have, which is going to be X.
Or that house is towards the hill.
Plus
So I'm closer towards
3/4 of $1
like where that fire station is.
of whatever the number of strawberries, which we are calling Y, plus $1.25. That is 1 1/4, which is 5/4
Right after
times the number of apples. Whatever that, oops, I'm using blue for apples, 5/4Z, and that gets us a total of $5.25, which I'm going to translate to 5 1/2.
10 crown.
5 1/4, excuse me. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1, so this is 21/4.
I don't stay there.
So I'm going to change this to 21/4.
Can I get the sneak peek?
I'm going to focus strictly. I'm going to take these away because honestly, this is not going to be useful to what we're doing. So our job is to solve for their variables, X, Y, and Z. There's one more little piece of information here is the fact that there's twice as many strawberries as bananas, twice as many strawberries as bananas. So that means, just in the margin, it takes twice as many strawberries. So 2 times Y as bananas. So bananas is X. So here's a simple equation. If we were to double our bananas, it would give us the same amount as strawberries. You're going to need that information right there. So step 1 is that I'm going to isolate, take this little piece of information.
I like it. Give me a break from the.
And since it is a value of Y, I'm going to put it right here. So I have X plus 2X plus Z equals 7. So 3X plus Z equals 7. This right here should be Z. And so therefore a value of Z is going to be 7 minus 3x. Just keep that in mind that the value of Z is going to be 7 minus 3x. So I'm going to take that value of Z and we're going to plug it in right here to get another equation. So I have 1/2
Some places there.
times x plus right here 3/4 times 2x. So I'm replacing that y with 2x plus 5/4, 7 minus 3x for z equals 21/4.
Good.
We have all these fractions, so I'm going to do something that's going to get rid of all these fractions in one fell swoop, and that is I'm going to do what's called arrow in, arrow out. So all of those go into 4. So watch what I do here. We're going to take 2 into 4, and it's of course twice. So this is going to translate to 2x. 4 goes into 4 once, and around the 1, so it's going to be 3 times 2x. 4 goes into 4 one time, that's 1, so this is 5, parentheses, 7 minus 3x, we didn't touch that, equals, 4 goes in there one time, 121. Let's solve for x.
Why did you pick it on such a hot day?
No. Why not?
That's I actually had students like ask questions like that, like why do we do like rocket waters or the pool, the swim day when it's so cold. They would go to raging waters or something at the end of the year. It's always cold when we go.
Yeah, but California's cold, it's not the same as cold. Our cold here is-
So we just discovered that x equals 2, one variable down. And x is 2, we can plug that in here, and we get 2 times 2 equals y. So now we have y equals 4. And then I'm going to plug in those values of 2 and 4 into our original equation, which is 1/2 x plus 3/4 y plus 5/4 z equals 21/4. And we're going to take 2 and put it right there, and our 4 and put it right there. So we have 1/2 times 2 plus 3/4 times 4 plus 5/4 z equals 21/4. This becomes 1, 3 plus 5/4 z equals 21/4.
Even by you. This is great.
We're going to minus 4 minus 4. So 5/4 z, this is going to be 21/4 minus, changing that to a fraction, 16/4. We multiply by the reciprocal,
Look it up.
and Z equals 1.
Wrong, but-
So we have
Is this the one I handed you?
2 bananas. We have 4 strawberries. And 1 apple to make this smoothie.
Two things.
Main one was. So